tracking that breaking weather news.
That's right. We're continuing to give you those updates on that earthquake that was quite powerful, shallow, earlier this morning around 3:27, just off the coast of northeast New Zealand. Now, the preliminary report came in at a 7.1 magnitude earthquake. Then the updated was a 6.9, and now we've got the latest update about 7.3. And we had a couple of aftershocks as well. So New Zealand authorities have issued a tsunami warning for coastal areas. They're expecting waves to arrive along the coast from 1 to 3.3 feet. So of course we're going to continue to track this. There have been no immediate reports of any injuries or any damages, but some residents, well enough over 100 residents, have actually reported some light to moderate shaking in that area. So again, no tsunami threat for Hawaii, but New Zealand authorities have issued that tsunami warning for those coastal areas. Now, as we shift gears to local weather on this Thursday, we've got those lighter trade winds, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Some areas up to 25. We've got some cloud cover over Kauai County and our Oahu, so we are expecting that to continue for today. Lots of sunshine throughout leeward sections. A few windward showers, but very light, just like what we're seeing this morning. We've got some drier air moving on in. Temperature highs 76 to 81. We are expecting, however, an increase of showers to start occurring statewide starting late tomorrow night. Davey.